Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin Up, and today we'll be making the Perpetual Beauty Calendar Kit. This kit will help you remember special days year after year. Decorate a top spiraled calendar to capture all of your important dates, and then keep it handy during your card making throughout the year. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. I love how this calendar keeps all of the special days listed in one place. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products, and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!